Absolutely gorgeous.
Baby, just do it for you. When he's finished, does he step back and adore you? I just gotta know.
Hi, welcome to my first ever weekly vlog, guys. There's a lot going on this week. I've never done one of these, but I'm excited to try it out. So, first of all, I ordered a pink couch and it is on the way. It is on the way. My place is a mess. I can't even show you guys. But it's on the way, so that's what we're starting with today. We have a few events this week, so I'm so excited, guys. I'm so excited. I'm pumped. So yeah, let's enjoy the week together. Oh yeah, firstly, I have never showed you guys where I stay. There's a lot going on, but I'm gonna show you the outside part of it because it's my favorite part. There's a box over there, child. I need to get my stuff together. But this is a lovely view God has blessed me with. But child, let's clean up this place. This camp chair's days are numbered. Not days, minutes. My glasses are on because I can't see. I'm gonna do a time lapse of me cleaning. They just left with the couch from Joburg CBD, so that should be like 40 minutes away. So let me clean. It's so cute. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. I am scared. It's so pretty. Imagine walking in and you see this. I can't believe it. What? I need to set it up the way I want to. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, what? I'm so happy. I need to message the guy. I think I can do like... Okay. Oh, it's so soft. Oh my gosh. I need to show you guys up close. It's so soft. Can you see? Oh my gosh. I don't know why my camera doesn't want to pick up the pink. This is absolutely gorgeous. Like, are you crazy? I have a couch, guys. God is so good. I'm gonna leave it in the corner for now, because this side is supposed to be a dining room type of vibe. So obviously if it's here and I put a TV over there, it makes sense to be in the corner. But I could make it a 2 couch and put the one here. So let's try that out actually. And you guys let me know if you like more. This looks like a home. Are you seeing this? This is option 2. I don't know which setup is better. This is the other setup. I feel like this setup is giving very small space, and it would make sense if I had stuff over here to like put this one over there. But for now, since I don't have anything over there, I might as well keep it as a 3. You know, keep them all 3 together. But this is cute. This is cozy. This is cozy when you have people because you don't want to all sit in a straight line. You know? This is lovely. I'm just making food now, and I'm gonna try these peppermint leaves. They're apparently good for your skin. It's actually spearmint, but I couldn't find those. I got peppermint. So we'll see how it goes for my skin.
Run fast from a day job, running fast from the way it was. Jump quick to a paycheck, running back to the strip club. I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. They never take me. I've been enough of petty dudes. I've had enough of shitty news. I had a thing for dirty shoes since I was 10. Love dirty men alike. Ooh, better day than cash today. I just take it day by day. Ooh,
This is my meal. I call it girl dinner. I eat this every single day because that's just how good it is. Good morning, guys. This pink couch scared me. I must start there. I woke up, I was like, that time I was half awake because I went to get my package. I keep forgetting it's here. Like, I just woke up, guys. My mind. This is my dress for tonight. My man is on his way. And on his way, he'll get here later. So I'm excited for tonight. Is that my broom? When did I get there? But yeah, I'm excited for tonight. I have to go do my nails now. And my toenails. I actually have to leave in 20 minutes and I'm supposed to shower. Let me go do that. I'm so tired. But yeah, hi. Enjoy day 2 of the week in my life. I'm about to get his reaction of my couch.
Jesus.
No, don't act different now. What do you think? Are you dating Bobby? Yes.
Oh, these are nice.
My face is a bit of a mess already. Do you think it's nice? It's so cute.
Yeah.
Hi guys, my wig is laid. That lady scared me, babe. But my wig is laid to slay. I just gathered every inch of energy I have to come and speak, but we have to leave in 30 minutes because there's traffic, so it's an hour away. 30 minutes. Can you see my face? Just checking in. I will probably oh yes, I haven't tried on the dress still, guys. Like, it's still there. So this is so awkward for me because I've never showed my place this much on any platform. So I'm like, chill. If I had to say, yeah, please go get the thing that's on the couch by the window, you guys would know what I'm talking about. That's crazy. Okay, anyways, let me go. My nails, I think I showed you guys, are absolutely gorgeous. See you. Let me show you guys the outfit. Period. Color. I did a get ready with me on TikTok, so it's basically just my reaction of the dress. This is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. I'm in shock, guys. What? I feel overdressed already.
What?
And it is absolutely gorgeous. Are you guys seeing this? I just wish it was snatched at the waist, you know? But it's okay.
There is a way for me to snatch this.
Oh! Come show them your suit. Guys, why are his pants the inspo of my car? We're going. It's literally 6 o'clock right now. It started at 6. It's not even 6. It's 6:30. So as you said, I don't think it hear me, but it's super pretty here. We got our welcome drinks. Yo, in our outfits, we just ate the bread that was there. But this is our meal, guys. Still here. We're sitting on these couches. Super cute. What are we having next?
This is some.
Let's cheers.
Some more.
Taste. Damn. I'm not sure if I like the taste. Guys. It's a Joburg.
Gentlemen, first of all, a very warm welcome. There are so many gorgeous people here tonight.
Thank you very much. So to start off this evening, I thought let's start off by introducing La Parada. And for this, I need you to focus a little bit, okay? Because we're gonna put a little bit of ambiance.
We're tasting the calamari. I know the calamari is good. I love.
We still delight. Thank you guys. Munya, thank you very much.
That's nice. I need the sauce though. Guys, this is my first event. I'm so nervous. Can you tell? And my eye has been crying, but it's stopped now. Thank God.